I got Toyota 4Runner 2004 and 2005. I got two of them. And when I bought both of them, the climate cluster bulbs, lights, they were most of them out. And as you know, the bulbs that come with Toyotas are not LEDs. That's why I guess you have to type like T3, Toyota T3 climate control cluster bulb, something like that. I'm not really sure about the terminology. uh, I couldn't find an LED of T1. I believe this is called T1, which is 3 millimeter in diameter bulb. What I found online is a bunch of LEDs that are rated 9 to 12 volts. Be careful. Regular LEDs are rated from 2.1 to 3 volts and have a resistor inside the LED that makes the voltage ratings in it as 9 volts. So this is a 12 volt. This is rated. To replace the LED, just take out the leads they're just metal leads of the original bulb and pull it out like this. Take it aside, take the other one and put it the same way you took the first one, the original one. The only difference between this LED and that light is the leads are a little bit sturdy. I bought this kit for, I believe, $8, and it contains a bunch of amber, blue, white, red, and green LED. I'm gonna do that one more time. I think you get the picture. At this point, you can just skip the rest of the video. Take the leads. This is the original bulb, which works, of course, but I'm gonna upgrade it to LED anyway. Here it is. This fits like a charm. Here it is. Cut the rest and fit it in. So here's the bulb. I've already inserted the first one, which is working just fine. I'm gonna put the second one. From pressing on the leads just a bit in order to make space. This guy here is a little bit thicker than the original one. I hope you can see that. So here's the climate control with the LED. So I need to replace now this guy, probably this guy too, and now it's the third one. If it doesn't turn on from the first time you put the LED, that means You need to twist it when the polarity is matching positive to positive and negative to negative, because now it's an LED. I think it's matching now. There it is. Piece of cake, and they look so cool. I need to replace the other two too. Probably replace everything. There it is. White versus reddish. So. Go gray blue, 2 white, and I replace these two too as well with probably red. I'll update later. Here it is. Red LEDs at the bottom, blue in the middle, and white where it shows the miles per gallon screen and other stuff. Alright.